Good morning, students. Today we have last topic. After completion of this topic, almost all we have completed the first lesson. What is science? Okay, these are the last topics which are there in the what is science lesson. Let's come to know some more scientific skills. Okay, some more scientific skills. Okay, let's see. Scientists follow some more scientific skills. Today's our topic is scientific skills. First one is reading to learn. Okay, reading to learn. When you come to the page number, okay, come to the page number 9, you have here reading to learn. After completion of this reading to learn, next come to before reading. Before reading, what type of skills scientists will follow? Okay, this one. Okay, before reading. Next, during reading. While reading, what scientist will do? Okay, during reading, he will underline some important words and he will come to know the meanings for those words. Okay, this is during reading. Next topic is after reading. What he will do after reading? After reading, he is going to understand the theme of that theory. Okay, in this way, this helps in after reading. Okay, writing to communicate. Okay, after completion of experiment, scientist after completion of experiment, he writes the theory. He writes the theory. After the practical, he will write the theory. He will explain through is writing to communicate. Next, okay, these are the scientific skills. These are the scientific skills which are followed by the scientist. Okay, all the students see all these page number 9. Once read this reading to learn. Next, come to this page number 10 before reading. Next, during reading. Okay, after completion of this, come to next page number 11 reading. Okay, after reading. Okay, writing to communicate, same page. Okay, this one, how he is going to express. Okay, how he is going to express his views. Okay, next, writing, types of writing. Here we have, okay, in informative writing, it is informative writing. Next is in narrative writing. Next in expressive writing. There are 3 types of writing. Okay, after completion of that, scientists generally follow some measurings. Okay, some measurings. For example, after long days, if you go to your grandparents' home, they will ask you that my grandson and or my granddaughter have grown lot. Okay, in this way, how they will say that height is 5.8, 5.9 and 5.5. How they can say this? By measuring. Okay, measuring also important thing. Measuring also important thing in these scientific skills. We can measure through scales and by using tape, by using computer. In many ways we can measure that. Okay, after completion of measuring, let's come to know that using numbers. Okay, using numbers. They will use the numbers. For example, they want to explain you point wise, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sometimes they use this mathematical numerical, sometimes Roman numbers. Okay, they will use these numbers. Okay, safety in science. Okay, this is the most important thing, safety in science. When student goes to science lab, they have to follow the rules and regulation which are given by your teacher. Okay, you should not touch anything without knowing about the chemicals. Okay, you should not touch anything, either it is concentrated or diluted. You don't know that. Okay, diluted means, okay, if concentrated chemical falls on your skin, you may get burning. Okay, we should not touch those. Okay, before going to any lab, science lab, every student or worker, those who works in factories, they have to wear the apron. Okay, apron. Why they wear apron? That looks like a full shirt. Doctor wears apron. Okay, that saves ourselves. Okay, if we wear apron, that saves ourselves. And most of the fellows, those who work in labs, they wear goggles. Okay, goggles protects eyes, and wearing some these hair covers and these and glosses, these all are the most important things in science lab, so we should follow. And next, if you come to, you should not eat anything in the lab. Okay, you should not eat anything in the lab. Okay, next, you must keep your lab clean. You must keep your lab clean. Okay, you read these points which are given in the last topics: beware, oops, watch your eyes, and yuck, and protect yourself, keep it clean. Okay, read these all and write. After completion of your notes, submit in the office. I will make correction and give you. Thank you.